How to log in to Sort credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to Sort credit card online. Sort is issued by Satellite Bank and serviced by Continental Finance, which is specialized in credit cards for consumers with less than perfect credit. Here's how you can log in to your Sort credit card online. For that, you will need to visit the official website of Sort Card. Open any web browser of your choice on your device and in the search bar here, type in sortcardinfo.com. This is the official Sort Card login site. Now once after entering this keyword, press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Now within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Sort Credit Card Online. Now once you reach to this website, here at the top right you'll be able to see this login button. You may also click on this login button in the section at the left side. Once you click on one of these options, you will be redirected to a new page. Now in this page, you will be presented with the login interface. Here now you will need to use your username and password in order to access your account. Simply enter your username in the first field and then enter your password in the second field. Make sure to enter it correctly. After entering the password, you may also click on the I button at the right side in order to check and reveal whether you have entered it correctly or not. And after entering them, click on this login button right here in order to log into your account. Also, if you don't remember your username or password, you may also use the options below. Simply scroll down and select the options forgot username or forgot password in case if you don't remember them. You will need to follow the instructions given to you in order to reset or retrieve your login credentials. Also, if you don't have an account yet, you will need to register your account by providing your card details, social security number and other personal information. For that, you will need to click on this Don't Have an Account Sign Up link. Now once you're logged into your account, you will be able to view the statements, make the payments, check the due dates, and manage your account. Once you are logged in, you'll also be able to manage your Sort credit card. So by following these steps, you should be able to log into your Sort credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.